days have been getting harder, falling apart. It seems like love isn't getting stronger between our hearts. Make it through the day with just enough of a...
Hi guys!
Hi!
Welcome back to Franz's channel at sa ating another episode of Hotel Vlog.
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Seda Manila Bay, Paranaque.
So, andito lang tayo for an overnight stay. So, we will make use of our time. Let's explore the hotel, the amenities, the room, and the food, and of course, other facilities. Okay? But now, let's start with, of course, the room tour. Okay, so we'll start with the room tour. So, nandito tayo sa 6th floor. And this is our room. There. So, keycard activated din siya. Ayan. So, pagpasok, lalagay mo rin dyan yung card to activate the power of the room. So, ayun, pagpasok dito sa room, on our right side, by the way, nandito tayo sa deluxe room. So, this room, nakuha namin sa isang travel expo. So, sa nagtatanong, it's worth 6,400 for an overnight stay, but the regular price is mga 8,400. So, check nyo na lang sa website ng Seda Manila Bay dito sa Paranaque. And by the way, before anything else, so kung nandito ka sa aming channel, napapanood mo ito, please do subscribe our channel, Franz's channel, for more. And check out also other videos here on our channel. Okay, so now let's proceed to our room tour. Okay, so here sa right side, pagpasok mo dito sa room is the toilet and bath. So, ayan siya. Pagpasok, mirror, then lavatory. Ang mirror is touch screen. Touch screen. Ayan siya. Diba? Okay, so meron naman siya sama mga dental kits, benefits set, saving kit. So what's this? Body lotion, hand soap, tissue. So ito na yung kanyang shower. So provided na rin yung mga towels. Yan. Shower gel, conditioner, shampoo. Then yun na yung kanyang, ayan pala yung mga towels. Ito na yung kanyang toilet. Okay? So guys, naka-bidet. If you're looking for a bidet, yan siya. Then paglabas, ayan nga, yung sa left side kanina pagpasok sa room is the big mirror. And may kasama na rin siya dito mga flashlight, hair dryer. So ito, meron din ditong safe. Yan, para sa mga valuables nyo. Yan, ito din dyan. Then, kung gusto mo mag-check ng weight mo, if you are still on your ideal weight, ayan. So, meron naman siyang kiluhan dyan. So, ito naman yung bathrobes. Yan, slippers. So, pwede nyo na isabit yung mga damit. And, flat screen TV. Ayan. Of course, so may table din dyan. Ayan, si chair. May table, may couch. Pwede na nga yan higaan eh, no? Pwede rin yan higaan. Ayan. So, ang nakuha namin na room ay merong isang king-size bed. Ayan. Then, meron siya mga lampshades magkabilaan. And, what's that? Print lang o painting? Parang print lang siya. So, yan yung bed. And, of course, meron tayong window side view. So, wala itong terrace. Yan kagad ang makikita mo. So, nandito tayo sa side ng Asian Drive. Yan, Manila Bay area. Yung Park Hall, the new mall. Yun. So, doon banda MOA. So, on the other side, yung building na yan. So, mga iting mga offices yan dyan. May mga kainan din sa baba. Yan. Okay, so yan lang ang room tour natin. And this hotel, yung Seda Manila Bay, ay napakalapit sa mga casinos. Yan. So, kung mahilig ka mag-casino, meron ditong katabing City of Dreams and Soler, Okada. At ito ay connected din directly sa mall, which is the Ayala Malls by the Bay. Yan, dito sa Pasay. Okay guys, so that's it for now. And later, let's explore more Seda Hotel, Manila Bay, Paranaque.
It seems like love isn't getting stronger between our hearts. Make it through the day with just enough of hope to try to make a way through the mud.
Okay guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa 5th level.
Sa 5th floor,
Yan, so meron ditong outdoor,
mini golf.
yan, mini golf course.
Yeah.
So, ayun yan, yung kanina. Let's try to explore other amenities pa dito sa 5th floor. Kung ano pa yung mga nandito. Most of the amenities kasi nandito. So, let's go.
Tara, let's go.
Okay guys, so ayun naman yung kanilang spa. Ayun, meron naman siyang sauna and massage. Pero included siya sa massage. You can try that also. So ngayon, dito naman tayo sa swimming pool.
It's been a long way to paradise, through the scars, through all the eastern stormy skies. Made it this far, make it through the day with just enough of hope to try to make a way through the minds of our own. But love keeps holding us through times we wanna fall. I know these days are tough, is that through it all? Well, will you be by my side through the darkest days? Well, will you be by my side even though I'm in pain?
Okay, so yan yung swimming pool dito sa 5th floor. And ito naman yung gym. Okay, so yan yung gym. Ang gym nila is open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily. Dito lang sa tapat ng swimming pool.
Yan.
Okay guys, so this is an exciting part of the hotel. Hindi lang pala gym and swimming pool meron dito sa 5th floor. Kung meron kayong mga kasamang mga kiddos, meron din sila ditong play area here. Okay guys, to summarize it all, dito sa 5th floor ng Seda Manila Bay, makikita ang
Swimming
swimming pool,
playroom,
game room. Yeah, ito.
yes.
Yan.
And mini golf course.
Mini golf course at saka spa.
Yes, and spa.
Okay, so let's take a look naman sa rooftop.
Wow. Sige, let's go.
Okay guys, so nandito naman tayo sa roof deck level. Okay, ito siya. Okay guys, so ayun, nandito tayo sa roof deck level ng Seda Manila Bay. I think this is already the 12th floor yung kanilang roof deck. So ayun, makita mo sa paligid. Ayan. So, actually maganda dito kung merong sunset. Kasi kitang-kita mo dito sa Manila Bay ang view. Kaya lang sa ngayon, walang sunset. Kasi medyo cloudy skies meron tayo ngayon. Okay, so as I said kanina, malapit ito sa Ayala Mall. Ayan, sa baba. Ayala Mall, Manila Bay. Malapit din to sa mga casino like yon, Okada, Solaire, and malapit din siya sa MOA. Okay, ang City of Dreams naman ay nandun sa kabilang side. Okay, so ayun, meron din ditong bar sa roof deck level. So nandun sa likod. Tara, punta natin.
Let's go!
So nandito tayo sa ground floor, sa lobby area.
Yes, lobby area.
Yan, madaming guest ngayon, madaming guest. And dito naman sa unahan yung Mesto dining area. So this is the restaurant ng Seda, at dito din yung area ng breakfast. So tomorrow or sa buffet.
Ready ko na yung chani ko.
Wow, ready. Ready. Okay, so we are going to the pool now. Swimming na tayo. Dahil ang swimming pool is hanggang 8 PM lang. Ang bar, nagpa-reserve na tayo dun is hanggang 10. So, swimming muna.
Swimming muna. Yay!
Swimming muna.
Excited na ako mag-swimming.
Okay guys, so that's the view here tonight sa swimming pool. Yan, so mag-swing muna tayo kasi ang swimming pool is until 8 PM. Yung medyo madilim yung ating video kasi medyo madilim din yung area. So nagpa-reserve naman kami doon sa roof deck, sa bar. Yun naman is until
12 midnight.
12 midnight naman doon. So meron naman tayong reservation for doon. Doon tayo mamaya mag-dinner. For the meantime, enjoy swimming. Let's go!
Let's go! Swimming!
Sana hindi malamig. Okay. Yan, hindi naman malamig. Okay lang, tama lang.
Yes. Sarap maligo.
Okay, so ayun na nga guys, tapos na kami mag-swimming. Going up na tayo sa roof deck para
mag-dinner.
dinner. Okay guys, so here's our orders na let's eat. This is pasta bolognese and carne tapas chicken wings. busog tayo sa dinner.
Yes.
So, that's it. See you tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. Okay, so we're going to the gym bago tayo kumain. Okay, so come on. Let's go. Papawis ba tayo? Okay, so tama na to guys. Pawis na. Bawiin naman natin sa stomach development.
Kain.
Okay guys, so nandito na tayo sa ground floor sa Misto Restaurant.
Para sa breakfast buffet namin.
Tara, let's eat. Hi guys! So ayan, super busog na. Katatapos lang ng breakfast buffet. Pahinga lang muna tayo ko saglit before check out.
Full tummy.
Kapagod din kumain. Okay guys, so that ends our one night staycation here at
Seda Manila Bay, Paranaque.
Okay, see you next on our future vlogs. So don't forget to
Subscribe, like, and share.
our Francis channel. See you again soon on our next travel. Bye.
Bye!